How to update Wi-Fi driver on Windows 11. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. Then click on Update and Security in the Settings. After that, on the left side, click on Windows Update and you'll find View Optional Updates. Click on it. Then, if you have any update available for your driver, you'll find it here. You can simply click on Download and Install if there is any update available. Another way what you can do is open Device Manager, scroll down, and then search for network adapters in here. After you've found network adapters, expand it. Then search for your Wi-Fi and then right-click on it. After you've done that, click on Update Driver, which is the first option in here. Then click on Search automatically for drivers. After that, as you can see, the best drivers for your device are already installed. And if it was not updated, it will be installed automatically from here. This is how to update Wi-Fi driver on Windows 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.